In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error over here in Visual Studio Code, which says npm file C program files nodejs npm.ps1 cannot be loaded because running scripts is disabled on this system. For more information, etc, etc. So this is actually quite an easy and a quick fix. The first thing you want to do, well, I'm going to show you this error usually happens once you try to type in npm-v or npm install, so it just doesn't work. What happens is essentially you always get this red error. Now, to fix this, I'm going to actually show you in a new terminal so it's cleaner. What you want to do is first type in here this following command. So get-execution policy, and make sure it's exactly the way I wrote it or pasted in here, okay? So type that in and press enter, and then it says restricted, and for you it's gonna say restricted as well, and we're gonna change this right now. So the way we're gonna do this is as follows. We're gonna type in set-execution policy and then spacebar -scope spacebar current user. So make sure it's exactly the way I wrote it over here. And then what you want to do is press enter yet again, and then it's going to ask you to type in an execution policy. And what you want to type in here is remote signed, just like this, without the spacebar, just together, remote signed. And you want to press enter. And as you can see, it now essentially opens a new line. And if I were now to type in npm and then -v, as you can see, it's now working and it's showing the version, and I could even type in npm install and it would do it without any problems. I get an error because I have it installed already. However, you will not get it and it will work for you perfectly. So that's pretty much it. That's how to fix this error. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.